Our project topic is reconfigurable clock polarity assignment and domino logic for clock gated circuit. Batch members are myself Satya, Nitya and Vanmati, and our internal guide is Mrs. Bobby, of Assistant Professor of EC Department. The main objective of the project is to propose the reconfigurable polarity assignment circuit design using XOR gate and to optimize the clock gated CMOS circuits, and also to implement a gated clock and domino logic in Booth multiplier. A multiplier, it is a combination of both modified Booth algorithm with gated clock, a design taking into account a less area consumption of Booth algorithm, because the number of partial products lesser number of partial products increases the speed accumulation. Abstract. In the modern world, we need the systems which will run at high speed and to consume the low power. In our project, we propose XOR gate based reconfigurable method. Here the XOR gates are operated at one level of the clock tree. It is mainly used to facilitate the polarity assignment with dynamic control inputs. A new domino circuit is proposed which has a lower leakage with dramatic speed enhancement, and gated lock is applied for low power. The efficiency of proposed method is proved through H-spice simulation. Finally, Booth radix multiplier is implemented. In recent days, high radix Booth algorithm recoding is changed from 2's complement format to a signed digit representation from a defined set. So both the performance of the domino and the gated clock technique is verified through the hardware using Quartus 2 EDA tool, and finally FPGA implementation is carried out. Introduction. The dynamic logic such as domino logic is widely used in many applications to achieve high performance. A project presents a novel clock polarity assignment method mainly to reduce the peak current and high speed domino logic. The proposed method inserts XOR gate at one level of the clock tree to facilitate the clock polarity assignment with limited skew degradation. So with the help of these, we can achieve both power reduction and speed without increasing the circuit complexity. In the existing system, the reconfigurable polarity assignment for input clock is mainly achieved by using the control input XOR gates. Due to this, the peak current efficiency was compared with and without gated clock. The drawbacks of the existing system is addition of XOR gate for reconfigurable will increase the overall delay. So by using gated clock, power reduction is also not measured. But in the proposed system, by using the concept of domino logic, we can able to reduce both the critical path and we can measure the power with and without the gated clock. The main advantage of this proposed system is the circuit delay is reduced, and both we can increase the speed and the power. This is the main block diagram. The functional block here we are taken for the software part is flip-flop, and for the hardware part we are taken radix Booth multiplier. The source input, we can give two inputs are given to the functional block, source input and the source clock with polarity control circuit, and the concept of domino logic and gated clock is applied mainly to increase the speed and increase the speed and to reduce power. Finally, the parameters are extracted. The parameters such as peak power, current and all the power are extracted. The tools used are H-spice for verification at the circuit in the transistor level, Model Sim for functional verification, and Quartus 2 for parameter extraction. These are the spice output for the basic gates such as XOR and inverter and flip-flop. And the comparison of delay, the parameters such as delay, peak current and the peak power are tabulated. The power for both for XOR and inverter and flip-flop. A conventional flip-flop and domino flip-flop is compared. The propagation delay for both the flip-flops are compared. In propagation delay, the conventional flip-flop has more delay than the domino flip-flop. Same, the peak power of domino flip-flop consumed less power rather than the conventional flip-flop. This is for polarity change using AND gate. With gated clock technique is mainly used with the help of AND gate. So we have compared the power of both the gated and without gated clock. So for the with gated, we can take any of the flip-flops, any conventional or domino flip-flop, and without gated, both the powers are compared, and with gated the power is reduced. This is the implementation process. the modified Booth algorithm. It is mainly used for partial product generation and map will be extended in signed version. The Booth encoded values are mainly used for partial product generation. With Radix 8 approach, we can reduce number of partial products parallelly. Previously, Radix 4 and Radix 2 are used. Radix 4 is mainly, in Radix 2 we group into 2, and Radix 8 we are grouping the terms into 3. So the gated clock is mainly applied to reduce the power for power optimization and domino speed. In recent days, all the high-speed Radix algorithm is changed from 2's complement format to a signed digit representation form. This will reduce the complexity in recoding module. The Radix 8 algorithm, in Radix 4 we take 4 bits instead of 3 bits, then we represent the coded values in signed digit representation. With this approach, we can reduce the number of partial products. This is the Booth recoding table for the Radix 8 values. These are the coded values, current constant values for these coded bits. In the pre-processing stage, both 2n and 4n is achieved by just simply shifting the left of the n, and 3 is calculated by using 2n and n. After this stage, the partial products are generated. This is the simulated output using the model sim software. We have just multiplied the two numbers and the simulated waveform is obtained. We are in the quarters 2. In the quarters 2 software, we have just taken the area summary about the number of pins, the family, the total logic elements present, the total logic registers, the models, everything is explained, the device model, everything is given this flow summary. Then we are obtaining the maximum frequency of any one of the concepts. We have taken a domino logic concept in this. So for this, the maximum frequency we can use is 66.76 megahertz. This is the RTL view. RTL view is just a view where it's just used to describe the codings into a blocks in a hardware blocks. This is the map viewer, so where we can locate the exact map and map to the exact place where the source and inputs can be used. The power dissipation, total power dissipation and the total power dissipation is measured here. It is around 234.82 milliwatt. Using gated clock technique, we are obtaining the power of about 201.87 milliwatt. Thus, the power consumption and the speed is calculated without using the gated clock and also using the domino logic concept. From this, we can say that using the domino logic and the gated clock technique, we can reduce both the power and increase the speed without increasing the complexity of the circuits. So, that's the conclusion of our project. We proposed a unique high speed and low power technique for Booth multiplier, because already the Booth multiplier fastest multiplier. With this fastest multiplier, we are going to increase the introduce the domino logic concept and to further increase the speed of the system and to minimize area complexity. The performance is verified both in transistor level as well as in gate simulation using HSpice and model sim software. Thank you.